What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Comic Book Nerd, where we talk all things major movie television news. I am your host on the channel, Grant Sullivan, and in today's video, we are going to be discussing Jonathan Majors. We have some news that regarding his appearance in court today. In today's video, we're going to talk about what Variety has said in their article regarding Jonathan Majors' assault case and when his trial is expected to begin. But first, if you are new to the channel, be sure to drop a like and subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any of the latest videos. Also, I believe tomorrow we will try to do a watch party for Secret Invasion. If we don't, then we don't, and we'll have the breakdown out for you guys as soon as possible on Wednesday. And obviously, the Secret Invasion preview is going to drop here sometime in the next couple of hours as well. I'm working on that too as well. So subscribe for that, stick around for that, as well as let's go ahead and hop in to this article breakdown though by Variety. Alright, so if you guys have not heard, Jonathan Majors was in an assault case, and his trial is expected to begin in August. That's the headline from Variety right there. The article says Jonathan Majors is going to trial in August on domestic violence charges. The embattled actor appeared in person in a Lower Manhattan courtroom on Tuesday morning for the first time in the ongoing assault case. In the brief proceedings, a judge set his trial date to begin on August 3rd. So, trial date, August 3rd, we got that out the way. Majors entered the room at 9:15 a.m. wearing sunglasses and a dark brown suit. His girlfriend, Megan Good, who was also in attendance. Majors removed his eyewear before approaching the bench for a status conference, which lasted about 3 minutes. The article continues to go on to say, Majors was arrested on March 25th in Manhattan for domestic violence allegations and was later charged with several accounts of assault and aggravated harassment. At the center of the charges is a dispute with a 30-year-old woman who told officers that she was assaulted and taken to the hospital with minor injuries to her head and neck. The article goes on to say his criminal defense lawyer, I'm going to pronounce this wrong, Purity, I don't know, I'm not going to try to say that last name, issued a statement after Tuesday's court appearance saying her team was delivered evidence to the district attorney providing Grace Jabari's assault on Jonathan Majors and not the other way around. The statement goes as follows. We strongly requested to the district attorney dismiss all charges against Mr. Majors immediately and initiate proceedings against Miss Jabari, holding her accountable for her crimes. Charity wrote. While we are hopeful that the district attorney is reviewing these materials in good faith and will do the right thing soon, we accelerate our case. We request a trial date ASAP. End quote. In April, the alleged victim was granted a temporary order of protection, which means the two parties must not have any direct or third-party content. Judge Rachel S. Pauley reiterated on Tuesday the stay-away order remains in effect until the beginning of the trial. Majors is due back in court on August 3rd, and if he fails to show up, a warrant can be issued for his arrest. Within 48 hours, the judge reminded him, and I quote, I obviously don't want that to happen, so stay in touch with your attorney, she told Majors, who responded loud and clear. So, therefore, that is happening. We now know the court trial date for Jonathan Majors. As we know, it's going to take place on August 3rd. Now, this sparks like a few questions that I have about this. Number one, is Marvel Studios going to precede him as Kang the Conqueror? Yes, I think Marvel Studios is going to be going forward with him as Kang the Conqueror. I think that what the court is going to do is rule him innocent of any charges, drop all charges against Mr. Majors, and I think that Majors is going to remain Kang the Conqueror in the MCU for the future of the Kang Dynasty and Avengers Secret Wars as well. Now, if this doesn't happen, we already know that they are keeping him in Loki Season 2. We have heard rumors of this, that they are indeed going to be keeping him in Loki Season 2 with all of the reshoots. They won't have time to do any reshoots if indeed Majors is proven guilty in court, which I don't think he will be. They won't have time to do anything like that with reshoots because it'll be about a month or so away from the release of Loki Season 2. That's why I think they're going to keep Majors as Kang, at least for the time being, in Loki Season 2. They're going to keep all of his shots in there that he shot for Loki Season 2, and then if they need to, they will introduce somebody new in the post-credit scene of Loki Season 2. That's most likely going to happen if the court does indeed find him guilty. I don't see them finding him or proving guilty. Obviously, we already know that he has lost connections with his PR team. We know that a couple of films have been dropped. He was in an ad with Texas Rangers as well. But regardless, I think the point of this video, the MCU villain will continue to be Kang the Conqueror going forward. I just think that's going to happen. I think that Majors is innocent, and I think that that is indeed going to happen. MCU is just going to keep going with Kang the Conqueror, as they should. Obviously, we do know with the assembled stuff that's been going on, they're not advertising him right now. I think Marvel is waiting to make a statement. They're the only ones who haven't made a statement about Jonathan Majors as well. So I think Marvel is trying to wait and see what happens with this court case before they do anything. Disney, hopefully he doesn't lose his contracts with Disney, which I don't think he will. I think he will remain as Kang the Conqueror. But that is going to be all for this video. Just a quick little update for you guys on Jonathan Majors. He was in court today. It appears, as we do now know, the indeed court date for Jonathan Majors, his trial date, August 3rd, about a month or two away, so we shouldn't have to wait long on the decision from the court. But that is going to be all for today's video. Let me know what you thought of the video in the comments down below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Turn that bell on. We are posting daily as well. Got to get that Secret Invasion preview out for you guys sometime within the next couple of hours as well. But that is going to be all for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.